Welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will be teaching you how to change your battery in 2011 Buick Regal. Hello guys, so I know I am not a um driving girl itself. So here's how to do it with home with basic tools. So just wanna listen to my instructions. So first off, you wanna start by turning off the engine and opening the hood of it, which is here. You want to locate it and remove down the bracket. Then disconnect the negative cable first and the positive, and then swap in the new group size with 48 battery, reconnecting a positive negative and resecuring everything. Except to lose radio presets and potentially need your radio security code found in your owner's manual. So here's are the tools needed. And yeah, after that, place the new battery, which is we've done it like this one. And then finally, you want to double check that the connections are tight, close the hood, and start the car to make sure everything is working properly. And that's how you do it.